T-Mobile Internet modem reboot issues often stem from three main causes: unstable power supplies, overheating, and firmware bugs. Modems need a consistent 12-volt DC power input. Cheap adapters or surge protectors can cause voltage fluctuations, triggering reboots as a safety measure. Heat is also a major factor. Modems generate heat during operation, and exceeding 50 to 60 degrees Celsius can lead to thermal throttling and reboots. Ensure your modem has adequate ventilation. Finally, firmware, the modem's operating system, can contain bugs that cause reboot loops, especially during network transitions. These are usually addressed through automatic over-the-air updates from T-Mobile. Keeping these factors in mind will help you troubleshoot and prevent spontaneous reboots. First, ensure you're using the original T-Mobile power adapter. If not, switch to it to rule out power supply issues. Next, check the modem's temperature. Ensure it has at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides and is not in direct sunlight or a poorly ventilated area. Consider relocating it to a cooler spot. Check the modem's web interface, usually 192.168.12.1, to see if a firmware update is available. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support to inquire about a possible modem replacement, especially if you have an older model. For advanced users, monitoring the modem's logs might reveal specific error messages related to power or network issues. User communities also offer cooling hacks like fan attachments, but proceed with caution as this can void warranties.